Ever wonder why some individuals seem to effortlessly navigate the financial seas while others flounder? It all comes down to one simple yet powerful concept: setting financial goals. A well-defined financial goal serves as a compass, providing direction and motivation, guiding one's journey towards financial success. Dive right into the process of setting these financial goals. It's a 5-step journey. The first step begins with introspection. One must identify what they truly desire. Is it home ownership, early retirement, or perhaps a world tour? Each journey is unique, just like the individuals embarking on them. Next, it's time to quantify these aspirations. Attach a monetary value to each goal. This might involve a bit of research. For instance, if the goal is to buy a house, it's important to know the average cost of a house in the desired area. Step 3 requires one to determine the time frame. Whether it's a short-term goal like saving for a vacation or a long-term ambition like retirement, it's vital to define the timeline. And this not only helps in tracking progress, but also informs the strategy employed to achieve the goal. Now it's time for step 4, time to develop a plan. This involves breaking down the goal into manageable, bite-sized pieces. For instance, if the aim is to save $100,000 for a down payment on a house in 10 years, it means saving about $833 a month. The final step is arguably the most critical. It's time to take action, implement the plan. But remember to review and adjust as necessary. Life is unpredictable, and the financial plan should be flexible enough to accommodate these unexpected twists and turns. In summary, setting financial goals involves a 5-step process. It starts with identifying the desired outcomes, quantifying these goals, defining the timeline, developing a plan, and finally, putting the plan into action. Remember, financial goals serve as a compass, guiding one's journey towards financial success. They provide direction, motivate action, and most importantly, they transform vague wishes into attainable objectives. So, embark on this journey today. Identify those dreams, quantify the aspirations, set a timeline, develop a plan, and take action. The path to financial success is clearer with well-defined financial goals. The journey might not always be easy, but with a compass in hand, the destination is undoubtedly within reach.